Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dad and Reagan. We're at Monster Jam, and hey, we're on the big screen. Woo! Look up there, Reagan. You see Dave? Right there. We're on the big screen. We're over here by Captain America right now. What do you think about this new one? Pretty sweet, huh? It's awesome. So show them the new thing. Got the new official guide, 2012. All the trucks in it. Here's the inside of what Captain America looks like. Sweet. We'll have to get that and review it. So, anyways, here's the side of Captain America right here. Really sweet truck. Had some driver shifts. That's Alex Blackwell over there. Used to drive Captain's Curse. And I believe that's Chad Fortune. We'll have to check the guide. But anyway, here's the truck. We're fixing to go get what?
Autographs.
The autographs, huh? Sweet. Let's do it. So we're waiting in line. You got it open to Captain America's page? You got it? Oh. Keep going. We're looking in the book. There you go. Keep going. We're fixing to go get us an autograph. Alright, I'm going to switch to the camera, okay? And we'll be right back. We're going to get that one right there. And then we're going to go see Wolverine. Cool. So we'll see you in the next one.